Hello everyone and welcome to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara. Today we will be talking about possessive pronouns. Possession, what belongs to me or you. My cat, your bag, etc. It's important to understand that Cebuano doesn't just have one way to show possession. There are three basic types we can use and which we will see today. But there are even more variations. That is advanced stuff that's maybe for later. So first, I will give you the three basic types. The first is the pre-nominal. Pre-nominal. This is the most common form. It's just that you put the pronoun before the noun it belongs to. The pronoun before the noun. So you must attach the linker ng to the pronoun to stick it to the object. Example, kini ang akong sing-sing. This is my ring. Second, you have the post-nominal. This is the casual lane. You put the pronoun after the noun. No extra linkers are needed here, making it very popular in everyday relaxed conversation. For example, kini ang sing-sing nako. This is the ring of mine. And as a third kind, you have the long form. These pronouns are longer and almost always end in the letter A, like akoa, imoha. And you use this when you want to highlight who owns the object, especially if you are claiming it or comparing it to someone else's. For example, akoa kini nga sing-sing. This ring is mine. Nobody else's, it's mine. Right. Now, first I will show you the forms of the different pronouns for all the persons. Let's list them up. We start with the first kind, the pre-nominal. So the pronoun that is put in front of the noun. These are akong, imong, iyang, atong, among, inyong, and ilang. These are just for general identification, common speech. And let's put these into sentences now. It will become more clearer. So, for the first person singular, we have the sentence, this is my bag. Kini ang akong bag. Kini ang akong bag. Akong is the possessive pronoun for the first person singular. For the second person singular, you, we have imong. Kini ang imong bag. This is your bag. Right? We go to the third person singular, which can be he or she in Cebuano, as we saw already. Kini ang iyang bag. This is his or her bag. Can be both. Kini ang iyang bag. Then we come to the first person plural, which is atong, for the inclusive part. So the person you are speaking to is included in the group. When you mean we, the person you are speaking to is included, then you use atong. Kini ang atong bag. This is our bag. All of us. Say you have a group of three. The bag belongs to all three. This is our bag. Kini ang atong bag. As you know, in the first person plural, you have also another kind, an exclusive kind, where the speaker you are addressing, he's not included, so he's excluded. The we excluded form is among. So we have a bag for a group, but the person we are speaking to does not belong to the group of which the bag is. Kini ang among bag. This is our bag, ours, those persons, but not you. You don't belong to the group of who the bag is. Okay? And we come to the second person plural, you. is kini ang inyong bag. Kini ang inyong. Inyong, the possessive pronoun here. This is your bag, plural. And then we come to the third person plural, they, their, is ilang. Kini ang ilang bag. Kini ang ilang bag. This is their bag. Right? Okay, now we go smoothly to the second kind, the post-nominal. So here we put the pronoun after the noun. Now these forms of all the persons are nako, nimo, nia, nato, namo, nino, and nila. These are used for relaxed, natural speech. Now let's put those also in the same sentence so we can see the difference. Right, you have the sentence and the persons here. For the first person, singular I, my, you have kini ang bag nako. See, the possessive comes after the bag, after the noun. This is my bag. Kini ang bag nako. When you have the second person singular, we come to the sentence kini ang bag nimo. This is your bag. Kini ang bag nimo. Third person singular, kini ang bag niya. Kini ang bag niya. This is her bag. This is his bag. The first person plural, inclusive. Kini ang bag nato. Kini ang bag nato. This is our bag. All of us included. The excluded form is namo. Kini ang bag namo. Kini ang bag namo. This is our bag, but not you. You're not included. Then we come to the second person plural. You, your. Kini ang bag ninyo. Ninyo, your plural. Kini ang bag ninyo. This is your bag. And of course, the third person plural, their, they, their. Kini ang bag nila. Kini ang bag nila. This is their bag. Right. So we come to the third kind, the long form, the emphasis way. These are akoa, imoha, iyaha, atoa, amoa, inyoha, ilaha. Right? These put emphasis on the owner. It's really his, it's really hers. And in the sentence, akoa kini nga bag. This is my bag. Akoa kini nga bag. Second person, imoha kini nga bag. This is your bag. Imoha kini nga bag. Third person singular, iyaha kini nga bag. This is her bag. This is his bag. Iyaha kini nga bag. The first person plural, inclusive, atoa kini nga bag. This is our bag, all of us, inclusive. Atoa kini nga bag. The exclusive form, amoa. Amoa kini nga bag. This is our bag, not you. You're not included. Amoa. The second person plural is inyoha, for your. Inyoha kini nga bag. This is your bag, the group. Inyoha kini nga bag. And the third person plural there is ilaha. Ilaha kini nga bag. Ilaha kini nga bag. This is their bag. Okay. So now we can practice these three kinds. We will keep ourselves to this. If you know these three forms, you know about more than 90% of the possessive form that people use in everyday conversation. So that's more than enough. The rest is more on special things. And you can see that later if you want. So we will just use these three forms, put it into tables, and give a lot of examples so you can really see how it is being used. I will use the sentence, "This is my key," for the three kinds. So for the first kind, before the noun, is "Kini ang akong susi." This is my key. "Kini ang akong susi." "Kini ang imong susi." This is your key. "Kini ang iyang susi." This is his key, her key. "Kini ang atong susi." "Kini ang among susi." "Kini ang inyong susi." "Kini ang ilang susi." For the form that has the pronoun after the noun, we have these. So the same sentence, "Kini ang susi nako." This is my key. "Kini ang susi nako." This is my key. "Kini ang susi nimo." This is your key. Nimo. "Kini ang susi nimo." "Kini ang susi niya." This is his key, her key. "Kini ang susi nato." This is our key. "Kini ang susi namo." "Kini ang susi ninyo." "Kini ang susi nila." This is their key. Now for the emphasis kind, the third kind, we have "Akoa kini na susi." This is my key. "Akoa kini na susi." "Imoha kini na susi." "Iyaha kini na susi." "Atoa," inclusive, "kini na susi." "Amoa," exclusive, "kini na susi." "Inyoha kini na susi." This is your key. And "Ilaha kini na susi." This is their key. Now I will show you some more tables with some more sentences in the same way. Just read them, read it out loud. It's just keep on repeating and repeating and repeating. This is very valuable, so you get used to these three different kinds and build your own sentences. Make something up, replace something. Just look a sentence that you're interested in and make some of your own. But this is the way to do it. I will just put this on the video now, so you can just see what it brings. Just read it and read it out loud for yourself. That's quite something. We had a lot of examples here. Now I have one table for you which puts these all together. And you can copy this, of course, for later use. So you see the persons from first, second, third, singular, plural, and then you have the three kinds: the pre-nominal, the post-nominal, and the long form, the emphasis one. So it's all in one table. And that's it. If you know these, you're already a long way up. And I know possessives are not easy. It can be very confusing. What we saw now is not all there is. I told you that before. There are more nuances in Cebuano, but with these three shapes, you have about 90% of all the cases in normal conversation covered. So that's it for now. Listen and watch this video again if you need it. And I suggest you look at it a couple of times because you cannot do it in once. But just keep on repeating and you will get there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the next video.